Users say that the toughest images to create on MidJourney are three-dimensional images. The AI is still developing and the results can get unsatisfactory. However, here is a MidJourney prompt that you can use to create busts that feel three-dimensional. A three-dimensional face made of thick black cyan green and purple neon-colored paint, on a simple dark background, minimalist style, rough texture, smooth curves and subtle details. The head is slightly tilted to one side, with eyes closed and an elegant expression. Try this prompt and let me know what your end results are. Change the words, maybe change the gender, and just like that, get your creative juices flowing. Make sure that you like this video and subscribe so that you can get alerted when new MidJourney videos are released. I will see you in the next video.